Hi, I'm Diana. Let's start with annuity. Annuity is a stream of equal periodic payments from one party to another for a specific period of time to fulfill a financial obligation. To make it short, it is a fixed income over a period of time. Now we move to the formula. We have two formulas in annuity, which are future value and present value. You can look on the slide for the details. For future value, we use S formula, and present value we use A formula. As for interest charge, we use value of S in the future value equation and A in the present value equation. I'll explain all the symbols on the next slide. This is the meaning of all the symbols. R is for periodic payment, K is for rate of interest, M is number of times interest is compounded monthly. If it's not in monthly, it can be quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. I is K per M, which I already explained just now. S is for sum of annuity and A is for present value. Small n on both sides, S and A is interest period. Now, let's proceed to annuity equation. Mason took a personal loan of 20,000 and paid equal monthly payments for 7 years at an interest rate of 8% compounded monthly. First, find the monthly payment. Second, if Mason fails to pay the first 6 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 7th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. Third, find the outstanding principal balance if he decided to settle the loan immediately after the 70th payment. Okay, now this is the problem solving steps. First, we have to identify the formula that we're going to use based on the question given. Second, take out all the information given. Third, apply it on the formula. Fourth, calculate and solve the calculation that has been made. And lastly, write down the answer. For the first question, we have to find monthly payment. So we have to find R. Based on the steps that I already gave, find R. Oh yeah, N is M times T and T is years, so that's why N is 84. So the answer of R is 3,011 ringgit and 72 cents. For the next question, we have to use future value formula because it is outstanding arrears question. If outstanding balance question, we have to use present value formula. For N, it is 7 because Mason has to pay on the 7th payment, so N has to be 7. The amount Mason has to pay is 2,226 ringgit and 17 cents. For the last question, we have to find the outstanding balance, so we have to use the present value formula. N is 84 minus 70, you will get 14. So the answer is 4,153 ringgit and 42 cents. That's the end of my question.
Hello, Shazan here. Let's proceed to the second question for annuity. The question is, Billy bought a car and paid a down payment of 50,000 ringgit. She took a loan that charged interest of 6.5% compounded monthly. Billy repaid the loan in 6 years' time with monthly payment of 1,000 ringgit. We need to find the cash price of the car, the total interest charge, and the outstanding balance if Billy decided to settle the loan immediately after the 50 payment. For the cash price of the car, first we need to list all the information given, such as down payment equal to 50,000 ringgit, K equal to 0.065, M equal to 12, T equal to 6, R equal to 1,000 ringgit, I equal to 0.065 over 12, N equal to 72. After that, enter all the information into the present value formula, same as shown in the slide. Then you will get the answer. Move to the next question. We need to find the total interest. Just like at the first question, list the necessary information such as R equal to 1,000 ringgit, N equal to 72, and A equal to 59,488 ringgit and 65 cents. Then insert it to the interest charge formula. Just follow all the steps in the slide. The last question, it is same as the first question, but we need to change the N. It said that Billy wants to pay off all her debt after 50 payment. So our N will be 72 minus 50 and you will get 22. Then insert it to the present value formula. That's all for annuity.
Hi, I'm Adriana, and now I will proceed with trade and cash discount topic. What is trade and cash discount? trade discount is amount of discount that retailers receive of the list price, while cash discount is the deduction allowed by some sellers to motivate customers to pay their bills within a specified time. To make you more understand, we will discuss some of the questions related to this topic later. As you can see, this is some of the important things in this topic, which is trade discount, net price, chain discount, single discount equivalent, and cash discount. Question 3. New computer technology give trade discount 20%, 15%, and 10% to his regular customer Felix. They sent an invoice dated 4 June 2009 with cash term 310, 515, and net 30 for the product listed at 6,500 ringgit. The payment was made 20 days after the date of invoice. There are total 3 questions that need to be solved. Question 1. Single discount rate equivalent to the given trade discount. As we can see, there is a formula for single discount rate equivalent, which R is the trade discount that we can find in the question. For this question, there are 3 R, which is 0.2, 0.15, and 0.1. Put all the information given and total up this equation, and we can directly get the answer, which is 38.8%. Next, amount of trade discount received. The formula for trade discount is list price minus net price. Since this question did not give us the net price, we need to find it first by using the formula, and we can get the net price, which is 3,978 ringgit. After get the net price, we can just simply use the trade discount formula, which is list price minus net price, to get the answer, which is 2,522 ringgit. Last question. Calculate the total payment if Felix made payment 13 days after the date of invoice. Back to the question, if Felix paid within 15 days, he will got 5% cash discount. So, to get the total payment, we must know the cash discount first. Formula for cash discount is net price after trade discount times cash discount rate. So, the cash discount is 198 ringgit and 90 cents. After we get the cash discount, we can proceed with total payment formula, which is actual price 6,500 ringgit minus trade discount plus cash discount, which is 2,522 ringgit plus 198 ringgit 90 cents. So, the total payment is 3,779 ringgit and 10 cents.
So now, let's move on to the next question.
It is stated that Marco received an invoice worth Rm10,000 including transportation cost of Rm600 dated 15 January 2021, and he had trade discount of 25%, 20%, 10% and cash discount terms of 5% if he pays within 10 days. So in this question, we need to calculate the amount of trade discount, the amount of cash discount, and the amount of payment. Firstly, to find the amount of trade discount, the formula that we need to use is list price minus the net price. We need to find the list price, which is Rm10,000 invoice value minus with Rm600 the transportation cost. Now we need to find the net price. The formula is list price times in bracket 1 minus R1, in bracket 1 minus R2, and in bracket 1 minus R3. So fill in the formula with the value, and final answer you will get Rm5076. Then you just need to subtract both list price and net price, and you will get answer is Rm4324. Next, we need to find the amount of cash discount. In order to find the cash discount, we need to use formula net price after trade discount times cash discount rate. But if the payment exceeds 10 days from the invoice date, the cash discount will not be counted. So Rm9400 minus Rm4324 to find the net price after trade discount times the cash discount rate, which is 0.05, and we will get the answer is Rm253 and 80 cents. Lastly, we need to find the amount of payment. The formula is actual list price of goods minus in bracket amount of trade discount plus amount of cash discount and plus them with transportation cost. Then we just need to fill in the formula with the amount. Rm9400 minus in bracket Rm4324 plus Rm253 and 80 cents. And plus them with Rm600. We will get the answer is Rm5422 and 20 cents. That's all from me.